Are you looking for an alternative to Meta's Workplace? In May 2024, Meta announced that they would be closing Workplace and users would be able to use it as usual until August of 2025. Now, if you're looking for an alternative solution, I might have your answer. Hello, my name is Michelle, and I want to introduce you to Connecteam. Connecteam is a mobile-first app designed primarily for businesses with deskless teams, facilitating seamless communication, scheduling, and operational efficiency. If this is the first time you're hearing about Connecteam, your biggest question is probably, what features does it offer? Let's walk through some of those key features now. And if you find this info helpful, please give the video a like. Also, if you're looking for an inside look on how to set up Connecteam, I do have another video which I will link here and in the description so that you can take a deeper look at Connecteam if you'd like to. Diving into features, let's start with updates. You'll be able to reach every single employee at once and instantly to share important company updates, announcements, and newsletters, all in a social media style feed. If you need to make sure that it's seen, you can pin it to the top of the feed. You can also require read confirmation from your team members to ensure that they are seeing the messages. You also have the ability to track engagement metrics so that you can get insights on which updates get the highest engagement rates, employee comments, reactions, and views. If you need a more casual approach to communication, you can utilize the company chat. It's all the features you know and love. You can have one-on-one chats between team members, or you can create group chats. You can also create channels with in-app sharing options and schedule messages if needed. You'll also be able to keep your communication compliant. For instance, you can enable settings to reach staff only during work hours by applying away statuses and scheduling messages in the chat for the future. You'll also have audience management, which is the ability to control who sees what information. Connecteam's smart groups allow precise control over who sees what content, enabling targeted communication and a cleaner feed for users. You'll also want to take advantage of the enhanced admin control. The platform offers better management of updates and posting capabilities. Admins can tailor which channels display user or admin content, improving overall communication clarity. Now, let's say that you have sensitive company documents that you need to distribute. Connecteam can be your knowledge base. You'll be able to align everyone on the same page. When you distribute your documents, you can track file views and you can even protect sensitive content with permission controls, if that makes sense for your business. Need to manage those documents? No problem. You'll have the ability to gather employee documents in one accessible space. Easily organize documents so that your team members can download them when needed. This feature will also let you onboard new hires with ease, where they can upload required documents and certifications. You can track expiration dates for the documents, send automated renewal reminders, and simplify onboarding with instant uploads. What about recognizing and rewarding your team members? You can do that too. You'll be able to foster a positive company culture by recognizing and rewarding employees with personalized messages, publicly or privately. Encourage engagement by letting your team comment and react, and make everyone feel valued, heard, and appreciated. Whether you have a small team or a large one, having a contact directory is always helpful. You can search contacts by name, job title, department, or location. Plus, you'll be able to contact team members from the directory via chat, email, text, or phone call. All details are automatically synced across the app. With employee and vendor contacts accessible at all times, you won't have to worry about saving that information on personal devices. Plus, you can control visibility for contacts as well. You can maintain security by controlling who has access to outside contact details. Connecteam goes beyond communication. This platform has features to schedule employee shifts, time tracking, and the abilities for employees to clock in and out. Options for forms and checklists to assist employees. It is a comprehensive solution for managing your team. It also features analytics. With Workforce Insights, you can ensure that your team stays connected and informed with employee engagement metrics, enabling database decisions that drive productivity. Now, that's just a brief look at what Connecteam offers, but if you're ready to join the 60,000 plus other users to get ahead of that workplace shutdown, I encourage you to check out the link in the description, or if it's easier for you, please scan the QR code that's on the screen. Connecteam is committed to ensuring that you have a smooth transition from workplace and offers migration and 24/7 support. Previous workplace users who have moved to Connecteam are loving the flexible pricing plans. They also enjoy the communication tools available to connect with their team and the fast 24/7 support. An all-in-one solution for managing communications, operations, and HR. Connecteam also offers a 14-day free trial, so if you want to see if this solution is right for you, you can check it out for yourself. If you have any questions, you can leave those in the comments. I'd love to hear if you think Connecteam can be a solution for you. As always, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.